Morning everyone. So what we got going on in the workshop today? Well, Bob the builder's in. The walls coming on nicely. Already made a massive difference with the draft and the wind blowing through the workshop. But anybody that knows me, I'm OCD about my workplace. It's driving me crackers. My floor's an absolute mess. I'm like, I'm shaky Jake because it's like, oh God, my place is a mess. We've got BMW behind us, silver with 4 wheels. We diagnosed that the other day. That's in for 2 replacement headlamps. We've got the Peugeot Citroen silver with 4 wheels behind there. That's coming from a retail customer. It cut out on Tesco's car park. The RAC said it needed a proper diagnosis. We've got, let me just show you, Mickey Mouse has been in again. There's evidence of Mickey Mouse all over the engine bay here, but I don't know whether you can hear it. But the relay box here is making a very, very buzzy sound. It sounds like there's a load of bumblebees in there, and there ain't no bees. So we're currently running that at the moment, monitoring live data, waiting for that to break down. We've got the blue Civic outside. If you remember, Mickey Mouse was in that. We've repaired those wirings. We're looking at that now. There's a fault with it, with carbon build-up in the engine bay. The EGR valves are not working quite right. There's dual EGR on that vehicle, so we're monitoring that. That's going out for a road test later, and we're going to monitor live data on that. It's not cut out on me as yet, but there it is. So we've got 3 jobs on the go. We've got the Key Van outside, Patrick from the Key Van outside. He's working on the SL350 for the ignition switch and 2 keys to that. So big shout out to the Key Van. And yeah. All in all, a very busy Friday, and absolute gold star of the day award goes to Selina, the service advisor next door at Carcraft Northwich MOT. She's just been round with bacon and sausage butties. Needless to say, mine's in me tummy. So that's not helping with my skydive efforts, but hey ho, here we go. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Have a great Friday.